welcome back to Cross with Roar. So today, I don't know what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be showing you ways to fill up, fillable ornament, kind of like this one. So I have two of them that are pre-made. This one I still have to make. I have 3 in total. And I'm going to be opening an advent calendar, which I could do right now. So this one's actually Rocky, but he's not willing to open it, so I will. And I will be showing the previous ones. So every day we just pull out one from a box, and yeah. This year, it's the Shock and Bakers. Pretty sure they have a different name, so yeah. Some of the chocolates we got previously. Sorry, I started recording now. We're logging them. So this is Ma Jelly. Yeah, she's from the Jelly Nutsons. One second, I'm gonna be getting the other ones. Okay, if you saw in a previous video. Sorry, the phone fell. I'm recording on my phone, but it's a pretty good phone. Yeah, good. So, I have, in total, I still need 1 chocolate to open because we got 1 extra, but in one of Rocky's pack, there's 2 in 1, which is how he got the extra, so yeah, we each got 5. The 5th one's a baby kid, which I didn't open. So, what I have is Ma Jelly, like I said, Sabrina Softer. She's from the ice creams. Oh, there's one over there. So I have 6, I think. I forgot her name, but she's from the Sweet Stents. Tony Tortellini. And I'll get one more. Okay, and this one is Sister Shake. I'm going to be finding, I think Rocky, he got 1, I think, or 2. I don't know where he put them. That's a problem. These ones are all the ones I got previously. So, yeah. Now we're going to be talking about ornaments. So, for your ornaments, what you can do, this one, I filled it up with pom-poms. They were in the same colors scheme, which makes them look like. Originally, I was going to do Christmas colors, but they weren't available, so I did my favorite purple kind of shades. So yeah, there's like light purple and magenta-ish, and then dark purple. So yeah. The next one is those fake pearls that I got from a kit. I'm gonna get like pearls. I want to reuse them for actual bracelet. So you can just take them out. I put some other beads in this one and some glitter in the bottom, if you can see. Yeah. I might also add a little tree in there. Wait, guys. This one I still going to decide, but I'm going to be adding ribbon on the top. Maybe incorporating this tree somehow. I'm going to be try fitting it in. I see people do these with like tweezers. I've just seen a different version where you can open the... Okay, it's not going to fit, which is a problem. That's not going to work. Okay. I'm not sure. If you have any ideas, put it down below in the comments. I literally don't know what I'm going to do with this one. Actually, oh yeah. I think I was going to hydro dip this. Like, what you do, you put a bunch of paint in it. I could actually do that now. So you put a bunch of paint in it, like, shake it a bit, like whirl it around, and then everyone will get paint, and it'll look like a hydro dip. So I'm going to get some paint now. Some gold paint. Yeah, and stuff like that. Okay, sorry for the delay. Okay, so we're going to hydro this gold, orange, and red, and some glitter. But I love glitter. Yeah, so I'm gonna start with orange. So what you do, you open it, honestly. So I prefer bottles for these because tubes won't work as well because they're less liquidy. Oh wow, it's already pouring. Try not to hit the lid as much. So for some paint, not that much. Then you'll have to move it. Make sure not to pour it. Move it around. Okay. It's really slow, which is why we're doing more than one color. Okay, turn it this way. It's all really liquidy. Okay, so just move it around. Don't have to like shake it, just move it. And I'm gonna be doing this and coming back. Okay, I did as best as I can. So next I'm just gonna squirt some red as best as I can. Okay, the red doesn't have, it's stuck, so I'm just gonna poke a hole. Wait, this is not stuck. Okay, good. If on the end of your whatever you're poking with, what is going on? Sorry. If you didn't realize, all my craft start video are non-scripted. Maybe there's like one that was just scripted. Ew, this is liquidy. What, like, sometimes paint has water in it and it's so weird. Obviously, there's not a lot in here. You can't hear. So, I'm gonna just... So by the end of doing this, all of it should be like covered. It's really slow. Not kidding with that. Sorry, I just can't see. Sorry. And when I do this, at the same time, the orange, I'm gonna add more, is also moving, which is good. Okay, I'm gonna just